Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create and add custom fields in Asana. This is very simple. First, navigate to your project, open it up, and then in order to add a custom field, you will have to click on this plus icon, Add Field. Now, click on Choose from Library, and then click on Create New. Here, create a field type. So select if it wants to be a only single select field or multi-select field or whatever from this you want. You can be even a text field. So I will select multi-select. Now here you can select the field title. So let's say stage. And here you can create your option. So completed or progress or something like that. Now you can add it to my workspace field library right here, or notify collaborators when this field's value is changed. So this. Now click on create field, and now your custom field is successfully created, and you can simply, as you can see here, stage, you can simply add these custom field options to your projects and tasks. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.